Motorcycle racing is a breathtaking high-speed sport where skilled riders command powerful bikes on challenging tracks. Witness thrilling overtakes, daring lean angles in corners, and incredible speeds. The combination of expert riding skills, fierce competitive spirit, and sheer bravery creates intensely dramatic races. From professional circuits like MotoGP and WorldSBK to grueling off-road events, motorcycle racing always delivers extreme excitement for both spectators and participants. It's where speed, passion, and danger perfectly intertwine,